Solideon is changing how we build aerospace vehicles. Most aerospace manufacturing still requires massive facilities, expensive tooling that takes months to produce, and constant human oversights. Solideon built Aperture, an autonomous robot system that combines additive manufacturing, CNC machining, and real-time inspection. No traditional tooling needed. Setup times drops from months to days. Human intervention reduced by 90%. The system uses AI to generate optimized designs. Sensor fusion monitors every step. Computer vision catches defects in real time. They secured AFWERX funding to develop deployable manufacturing cells, single pallet system that can produce aerospace components anywhere. But scaling autonomous manufacturing brings serious challenges. Hardware reliability under continuous operation, sensor system validation across different environments, meeting aerospace certification standard while maintaining speed advantages. When your system eliminates human oversight, validation becomes everything. This is where rapid engineering supports makes the difference. At Silicon Valley Startup Garage, we handle urgent hardware debugging, sensor optimization, and compliance testing, while your team focuses on a core development. From plug-and-play Sunnyvale, we help hardware startups move faster when technical bottlenecks hit.